Did you know that your phone comes with default settings that allow any app or website to access your phone number? This is not ideal because not all apps and websites are trustworthy. Your number could end up in scammers, databases, or with advertising companies, leading to annoying calls trying to sell you something or deceive you. In this video, I will explain in detail how to disable these settings and protect your privacy. Solution 1. Prevent your phone number from being shared with apps. First, open up the settings on your phone. Then scroll down. Now find Google. Tap on it. Next, tap on All Services. Scroll down again. This time, find the phone number sharing option. Just toggle off this option. Solution 2. Stop sharing your number with websites in Google Chrome. Now open up the Chrome browser on your phone. Tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Next, tap on Addresses and More. Here, you'll find an option called Save and Fill Addresses. This feature allows websites to access your saved phone number in the browser. To prevent this, simply toggle it off. Solution 3. Manage App Permissions. Go to the settings again. Use the search bar in Settings and type Permission Manager. Here you will see the Permission Manager under Apps. Tap on it, then tap Contacts. You'll see a list of apps that have permission to access your contacts. Find the apps that don't need access to your contacts. For example, Gallery doesn't need access to your contacts. If it's unnecessary, tap on it and select Don't Allow. Repeat this step for all suspicious apps. Solution 4. Control Call Log Permissions. Some apps request access to your call logs, which can allow them to see your phone number and your contact's number. Go to the settings once again. Use the search bar in Settings and type Permission Manager. Here you can see the Permission Manager under Apps. Tap on it. Tap Call Logs. Find the apps that don't need access to your call logs. For example, Gallery doesn't need access to your call logs. Tap on it and select Don't Allow. Do the same thing for all suspicious apps. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.